Say he in the trapper, but he fucking up the keys.
I ain't complain about shit, I just went and got it. My youngin' came up, poppin' niggas for a profit. Wait till it hard and we gon' take off like a rocket. Ain't no trophies, just dead niggas in my pocket. That petty bag was not enough, I had to make more. I'm jugging, getting to it daily cause I hate pork. I gotta stay real in a fake sport. Like fuck the gram, I'm in the field, we bout to skateboard. We all know these rappers all liars. Plug tried to cut me off, he saw my picture on the flyer. Make my way on through the trenches, moving like a young MacGyver. We ain't have it, so we came up rolling like some easy wire. It's some time across the state lines that I feel like I should flood. It's some bitches in my city I feel like I should've fucked. Niggas think this shit is sweet because I rap and got a buzz. I'm a pro with that 2-1 call and get you touched. Hit me with a brick, Debo, I take it from him. I had to cut a lame off, he was hating on me. My downfall came and went, y'all prayed on it. Came back jumping like Rose, be patient on me. Just tell that nigga go and rap and we gon' get him back. Uncle say that's not the one that had him feeling flat. I had to cut lil' mama off because she got attached. And I ain't never going broke again, I got a chance. I say he ain't no trapper, but he fucking up the keys. And I